Hey guys, welcome back to Musab's Creative Toolkit. No clickbait, no fake previews. What you are about to see is Magic Bullet looks running live on my Mac, fully licensed, fully working. I am showing you the proof right now on screen. I am inside After Effects on my MacBook. I drop in a clip, find Magic Bullet looks, drag it onto the footage, and the full plugin interface opens up instantly. No error, no purchase pop-up, nothing. I load up the film negative print preset, and you can already see that cinematic film tone hitting the footage in real time. Adjusting curves, tweaking the color response, every single feature unlocked and working perfectly on M1, M2, M3, and M4. Now let me show you the license. I click that blue text next to the plugin inside After Effects. Fully licensed, no watermark, no expiry. I open the Maxon app and Red Giant Complete 2026 is right there. All applications active. Magic Bullet, Universe, VFX Suite, Trapcode, everything installed and licensed on my machine. If you want this on your own MacBook, the full installation guide is inside my free Telegram community. The files are uploaded directly in the channel, every step is written out, and I personally reply to anyone who gets stuck. This is a real community, not a link dump. I cannot promise it stays free forever, so join now while you can. Link is in the description. Just tap it and you are in. If this helped you, drop a like. It keeps me motivated to make more of these for free. Subscribe, share it with a creative friend, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks guys.